Good morning. Alright, this is what I got today. I got my rollout wheel. Put pipe in here and it spins. It's got a brake on it and a leveling kit, and then you can change it to a 45. I got set up to weld these out here. Pretty simple. Got them all tacked up, so I just got to weld them out this morning. Got off work, got to do some dishes, some cleaning, maybe some laundry, and play with Hank if he's got energy. Lots of carbs. Laundry time. I'm not excited about it. One of the worst things about working on the road is having to go somewhere to do your laundry. But since I bought a camper, most of these campgrounds I stay in, these RV parks, they have laundromats. So it's not too bad. Usually it's just a walk just down the road. There's this lady across the street, and she totally has her cat on a leash. I mean, I understand that you gotta have your pets on a leash, but your cat? I just finished my laundry. Not much else to do, so I'll probably go to bed here in a few minutes. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye y'all later.